This here is the Black & Decker 240 volt 2200 watt electric chainsaw. There's the plug, you see, for Australian type plug. It's quite heavy, a lot heavier than the little 10-inch Black & Decker. It was battery operated that I showed in the other video. There's the oil reservoir, there's the where you can see what the oil level is there. And as usual, it comes separately with the chain and the you gotta put that on. They have the chain already sitting on the thing there. Let's have a look. We got that, yeah. Now, what I'll do is I will now assemble the. I won't show you me doing it because it might take me a while. I'll tell you what I can do. I can remove the cover by you remove this cover to put the chain on. So you unscrew this here. There we go. Oh, that's easy. Done. And actually, I guess I could show you part of it. You simply put the chain over that cog or whatever you call it, and then you tighten it up. Let me see if I can put the chain over the that there goes through that there either goes through there, I think, and the chain goes over there. Anyway, look, I'll sort it out and I'll show you when I've got it assembled to save a lot of time. Okay. Oops. Okay, I got the chain on. You put that cover back on. You loop the chain over that cog at the back that I showed you, and then you start to screw that, not too tight, and then you adjust the tension of the chain with that one there, that black one, and then when it's about right, see, that's a couple of millimeters, then you tighten this up. And I've already tried it. I've plugged it into the 240 volts. By the way, this is an 18-inch blade chain, Black & Decker. Can we see that? Keep going. Keep going. 45 centimetre. It says 45 centimetre, 18-inch. So it's quite a heavy. I wouldn't want to use a heavier. I don't know what those petrol two-stroke things weigh, but this is pretty heavy. This is about the heaviest duty you'll get, and it's a good quality. It's Black & Decker. They make pretty good stuff. So all I've got to do now is put the oil in there. I got a little cord. I'm going to use Castrol chainsaw oil, and I might even be able to show you how I get I should use a funnel, but I don't have a funnel at the moment, so I'll just have to try and pour it. Oh, never mind, I won't bother. But you pour the oil. Bring this back. Pour the oil in there, of course, and then you can see the level there. Okay, I'll put the level in, then I'll take it outside and give it a test. Before I take it outside, I've put the oil in, and I've got it plugged into the mains. I'll just give a quick check to make sure. Yes, very good. One more. Whew. As you can hear, that's a very powerful electric motor in there. Okay, we're outside now. I'll try cutting through this thick branch here. There we go. Wow. I'll just take it down and cut through. I'll cut through that one there. Right. Right. Well, as you can see, that's very, very effective.